Across Asia and Europe, artists are getting ready to meet, to question, to move, and to imagine. From April to June this year, they will gather for the 8th edition of the Asia-Europe Cultural Festival. In 2026, the festival presents its most ambitious program to date. 11 bold productions spanning contemporary dance, film, theater, and multidisciplinary performances. Artists from 19 countries across Asia and Europe come together to share stories that reflect the world we inhabit today. Stories of presence and perception, of memory and belonging. Our journey begins in Hong Kong with a dynamic curtain raiser in collaboration with Kwun Art Center, a theater piece uniting artists from China and Denmark to explore the fragile line between reality and illusion. The festival then unfolds in Utrecht, in partnership with the Spring Festival for the Performing Arts from 14th to 23rd of May. Together, we'll create space for meaningful encounters between artists and audiences, between cultures, between ways of seeing the world. This edition also marks an exciting new step, the launch of the first ever Festival Camp, a dedicated platform for mid-career producers to exchange ideas, strengthen networks, and shape the future of Asia-Europe collaboration. On 19th of June, the festival concludes in Singapore with the closing curtain performance presented with T.H.E. Dance Company and Contact Dance Festival at Esplanade Theatres on the Bay, a contemporary dance work that invites us to reflect on how we carry memory, sensation, and time within our bodies. At a time when distance and division can feel overwhelming, the festival offers a space to gather, to listen, to create together. We invite you to join us across the two continents for the vibrant constellation of performances, films, installation, and encounters celebrating the shared artistic spirit of Asia and Europe. Follow us for program announcements and artist stories and be part of our journey. We look forward to welcoming you to the Asia-Europe Cultural Festival 2026. See you there!